like I promised, I'll show you this. And that's basically this. See, this is a part where there's a fire extinguisher. This part is, okay, so this part down there, that looks like a cafe, right? And that part, well, that's a dance studio, and that's like, this is ballet lessons, and it's just like music studio or whatever. And down here is a flower shop, you can see the flower. And up there is a photo shop, and there is like a chef or something. Up there is an apartment, and down there is a dentist's office, and down there is a bakery. You can see that. And there's water fountains, there's some lampposts you got there. And a stroller. I have no idea where the stroller goes. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I'd rather do this. So you get here like really good roof access, but see this can actually connect. Oh, sorry, I'm zooming in. Okay. I mean disconnect and disconnect. Jeez. I broke part of the wall. Look. Oh, jeez. Okay, so let me turn on some light, even though it is really about school time. I never knew it was 5. It's that late. We just did one errand. Oh, wait, never mind. Got a pedicure and a manicure at the same time. And took them out like 1 hour. So that makes it 4. Oh, yeah. And then we went to some and stuff and like so half an hour and 7. So I think the pedicure took us, I don't know. Okay. Anyways, oh, sorry. Back to this. Mama, I'm making a YouTube video. I told you. Yep. There we go. Now it's on. Now you can get a better view of it. Now here, this is a different set. Sorry, it's all crashed. Now, I'm gonna take. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to show you. Let's see. Sorry guys, I'm making light a little bit or something like that. Jeez. You know guys, I want to deal with it later. Okay, so guys, oh, this is sorry guys, I'm gonna leave it black for a little bit. Just wait. Don't end this video yet. Okay. Just yet. Never end. Guys, remember, never end my videos. Because my videos are so cool. You wouldn't want to miss them. Guys, you wouldn't want to miss cool videos. Okay, so look. It comes with this. And some of these people, like, okay, so, what is this little thing? Dang it. Sorry guys, having some technical difficulties, because this came off, which I don't know where it goes. I don't know. Guys, all I know is that it comes. Guys, let me show you from part of the movie and like which part. I mean, in which movie. Okay, so this one is the one where he got slimed, apparently. There's like, he got slimed by Slimer, which she's in the bathroom, in the bathtub. It's this guy. And he got all slimed. Wait, no. He has a confused face. I'm not sure if you can see it. Should have brought my stand up. So like, he's confused face. And oh, guys. He also has sorry guys. There we go. And a fly emoji, except he has slime all over. Guys, yeah, I'm making you wait. Or I know this is going to be a bad video, but it's also as well going to be a good video. See, look, he has a slime. It's like whenever he slimes them. And his name is Ray, which he deserves to be in here because that's the set he's in. Here's Egon. Ray. I don't remember this guy's name. You can tell him to me. Okay. And, I forgot this guy's name. Yeah. Peter. I don't know. They all have different names, so you should look on the instructions very, very carefully because they have different names. Like they have different initials. Like this is Peter Venkman. Egon, I don't know what his last name is, and whatever this guy's name is, and whatever this guy's name is, we have Egon. Then I just forgot Egon's name. Or really, never mind. Never mind, I didn't have Egon. There's Peter Venkman, and I forgot his name, and he was just like. And he was just they were just like talking to the walkie-talkies. There you go. And let me just set it up just like how it was, and or something like how the set was made to do. I'm not sure if this one is yeah. This is Ghost Possessor or something? Oh, wait, no, Ghost Possessed you. So he got slimed in the other part of the movie. Would you guys sorry guys. Oh, I know where the other one is. Oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna let you hang. Sorry, I'm letting you hanging. But guys, just don't stop the video there, because if you stop the video, then that's gonna disappoint me, which I do not like doing. Disappointed. Okay, I'm ready. See, look. So here you got some ladder. Okay, so we got these. It's really cool. So it's like a ghost something machine, I guess. Ghost busting machine. Okay, so look, this is a ghost. And if you think that's really nice, then look at this. This is actually silver. Like it's glowing silver. It's really cool. Oh, almost forgot about this piece on the back, because there's always two lights. So much contraptions. It's really cool. So I kind of want to be a scientist or a ghost hunter or something like that. And here on this set, on the second set, get yourself a zombie. Oh, okay. So let me just, guys. Let me put. Okay, so guys, here's where we left off. Look, Egon has a different face. He's afraid, and this guy looks like he's screaming. This guy is worried. He's like, "What happened?" or something. I don't know. Whatever you would describe him. So this zombie, he's like, "Yes, I'm taking over the universe!" Ha 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 ha. There's a nice jacket suit. I think he's a biker. Or Slimer. He's eating a hot dog. And here you have Peter Venkman. Which he has two faces. Let me just. Oh, jeez. Guys, if you didn't know that he had this kind of confused face, he was confused. Okay, guys. So, and Grandma, if you're watching this, or Grandpa, please tell Duke that, please ask him that if he used to have Lego system. So I'm pretty sure that's what he has. She has this ghost from the library, angry face. And old woman face. Now she looks normal, but then she can attack. Okay, sorry guys. I'm leaving you hanging. She has a normal face, and this says, oh, sorry guys. It says, magical paths to further and power, or fortune and power. So, I don't know what it says in the movie. It could say that in the movie. So I'm just telling you the figures. Guys, there's 3, but one of these are for Slimer. They're just like in Lego animations or toy reviews, you can do these. And some of these they can stick on here, whatever you want. And I'm gonna. Sorry guys, don't press that leaving button so that you don't miss out on all the fun and cool and awesome stuff. Just make sure that you don't miss the cool and awesome stuff, because it's really cool. Sorry guys, I'm leaving you hanging. Sorry, I'm leaving you hanging. Okay, there we go. Now, look, there's a 3-eyed guy and 4-eyed guy. You might see him like when they play that funky music and there's one skeleton guy driving a taxi. And he's like, take me away. And then he actually just bumped into everything. But he looked normal, except he was like a monster. There's Slimer. He's on this. And they're on this. They're on this. Okay. And whenever Grandma and Grandpa visits, you can. Oh, and also, wait, never mind. Guys, there's something from a diner. This is, I forgot her name. I believe that Peter had a crush on her. She has a worried face. Okay, guys, there's her worried face. Now, she might just seem like just seemed like I don't know, she's a woman, but she's actually part of the Ghostbusters business, I think. Yeah, I believe. Sorry guys, apologies to you people. Guys, oh my gosh, guys. I just realized one very weird and important thing. Oh, sorry guys, I got a little distracted. So sorry guys. I'm just trying to get this. No, don't. Because guys, it took me a long time. It took me like 1 week to build this thing, so don't unpause it. I swear, don't. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm just about to put on. So I just got them for the lockers. So you'll see that in a bit. See like the lockers and stuff. A bit. Okay, so there are his Ghostbusters growlers called. I haven't watched the movie, guys. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. And also for leaving the hammer on the floor. Sorry. Sorry for that. No, guys. I'll do you a choice. I'll make better videos. Only if you like. And they both have the same faces, so I don't have to switch them, but I want to. So sorry, guys. Sorry. Again, I'm leaving you hanging. Guys, I also have a Jurassic World set, but I like the destroy sets I used to. So I'm just gonna switch them to the other thing. If you forgot them, then you can just rewind. Easy as, I don't know, pie. Guys, like I promised, and I did do it. There you go, you're two handsome guys. Like I said, they both have the same initials. Oh, and guys, I forgot to tell you. Oh yeah, she has a bun instead of like all curly hair because that's when she gets angry. Like she gets surprised. I took off the hair because I was just about to put it on the other side. Oh my gosh, she looked so possessed and mean a little bit. Well, this one looks so possessed. And here's him. Guys, I think he's possessed by her. They both fell in love and then they were like possessed really strong. Like their love was as strong as like them being possessed. Like it was so strong, those guys. I'm trying to find the cap, but I can't. I can't find the cap scanner thing for that guy. Maybe it's connected to a machine or something. Guys, I'm so sorry. I can't find it. It's torturing. Oh, finally. Oh yeah, and he has two heads. Guys, he has two heads. See, look. This one does not have another face. Looks like he's strapped to this. Oh, sorry guys. Guys, my apologies, young fellow people who are watching this. Okay, there we go. So, basically, looks like all the people, so I'm just gonna go to the really nice interview. Like, so I'm just gonna, oh my gosh. Guys, calm down, guys. It's not the end of the world. Although it is. It is, but it isn't. Like, I'm not sure about this path thing. There's a path thing and I don't know where it is. Guys, I need time. A lot of time. Guys, they have a lot of walkie-talkies and a lot of ghost hunting, whatever these things. Look, they have a lot of these. Sorry, you can't see. They have a lot of walkie-talkies. The bathroom, they have this. Sorry, guys, it's not too bright in here. Guys, I'm gonna have to bring some stuff out. Like, no. That's just like once I'm finished, I can sell them. And let me show you the details. Your desk. She's actually playing a game. It was a very old game. Gosh, might be new to you, but it's old to everyone else. Look, this is a magazine of them. Oh, sorry. Huh? Dinner's ready? Or something like that? Sorry, guys, I think my dad might need me. So, guys, I'm gonna have a part 2 of this, okay? I didn't finish the rest. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a like, and notification bell. Bye.